Finally, dumating na. Hello, what's up mga ka-Shitsubers? So welcome once again sa ating channel. And finally, dumating na yung Legion Go 2 natin. So we've initially pre-ordered this last year nung October pa from the Lenovo PH website directly. And supposedly, dapat nung December pa talaga yung labas nito. And ngayon lang siya dumating. We've also ordered the 1TB version and got this for around mga 73,000 pesos. Discounted na to by the way because we used a e-coupon kasi nung binili natin ito. So we're gonna do a quick unboxing lang. And first up, check lang natin yung mga box na. And actually, Lenovo Legion Go, pakin yung pangalan niya. Ay, sorry. Yung bigat kasi yung box eh. Ooh. So inside, we got the unit itself. Okay. So may kasama na siyang leather case. And here we have the unit itself. Ooh. Very nice. So again, OLED na itong Legion Go 2. Medyo may kabigatan siya, to be honest. Ang ganda ng feel nung L2 and R2. Still have the buttons dito sa side and sa back. Same, mostly same dun sa dati. And of course, the trackpad nandito din. Okay, so check lang natin yung other accessories. We have warranty. Then inside this little box, we have the charger itself. Yan. So sabi dito, 65 watts yung charger natin. So I think that's it. Ay ano to? May ano din . So parang cut out siya or I think pang stand. Though I think may kickstand na yung ano eh. Anyway, we'll check this out later. So inside the case, mayroon din tayong accessories. So this is for the mouse. I mean, yung controller pag gusto nyo gawing mouse. So ito yung pinaka-ilalim niya. And then at the same time, mayroon din parang cover, I guess for the mouse din. So I think dito siya. Pag tinanggal mo yung controller, ayan, nalagay siya dito. At the same time, dito naman yung sa ilalim ng mouse. So again, here is the Legion Go 2. And just for comparison purposes, ito rin yung Legion Go, Switch 2. Yan, tinatago ni Skippy dun sa likod eh. Okay? Yan. So, mas mabigat yan yung Legion Go 2. So we'll see kung comfortable ba siya on long gaming sessions. Ito pa rin pala yung kickstand. Yan, kickstand pa rin. So with that out the way, so that's just a quick unboxing as I mentioned. So we're gonna do a full review nitong Legion Go 2 with Skippy sometime this month. So stay tuned po sa ating channel. Thanks for watching.